In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an out-of-office auto-reply email in Zoho Mail. This is a handy feature when you want to let your contacts know that you're away and unable to respond immediately. Whether you're taking a well-deserved vacation or attending an important business trip, setting up an automated response can help manage expectations for when you're not around. To begin with, head over to Zoho Mail. Once you are at your inbox, look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options for managing your email settings. Navigate through these options until you find Out of Office. This is where the magic happens. Next, we'll be setting the duration for your auto reply. First, select a starting date. This will be the first day your out of office response is active. Follow this by picking a starting time that corresponds to when you will be officially away and unavailable to check emails. After setting the start, repeat these steps to choose an end date and time. This end date signifies when you're expected back, and at this point, the auto reply will cease to function. Once you've defined the time frame, consider selecting any unavailable days you want to exclude from the activation period. This is useful if you'll be temporarily available during what would normally be out-of-office hours and wish to manage specific days with precision. Moving on to the content of your autoresponder message, you'll need to craft a subject line and a brief message body. These elements are important as they provide the first and only bit of communication your contacts receive during this time. Keep it clear and concise, informing them of your absence and perhaps offering an alternative contact if an urgent response is required. Additionally, there is an option for enabling an auto response for external users. This ensures that people from outside your organization also receive your automated message, which can be especially useful if you engage with clients or partners not within your company. Then consider setting up the auto response interval, which determines how frequently an individual sender receives your out-of-office reply. This can help prevent multiple responses to the same person within a short time frame. Lastly, once you've carefully set up your preferences and are satisfied with the message, don't forget to hit that save button. This is crucial to ensure all your settings are kept intact and become active during the specified dates and times. Congratulations! Your Zoho Mail is now set to automatically inform your contacts of your absence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.